Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Luna Classic. Quite an important update. I might even call it an emergency update, even though I don't like to name too many videos that. But right now, I mean, things have changed for Luna Classic. Obviously, yesterday with the bearish momentum we got from Bitcoin, Luna Classic also got a bit of a spike. Technically, we haven't broken the range which we were in. All right, so technically, as most of you know, Luna Classic was kind of ranging here between 15,500 and then 17,000. All right, so Luna Classic was finally neutral since last week, Tuesday, after dropping down quite severely, as most of you know. And technically, it's still in that range. So purely technically, Luna Classic right now is still neutral. All right, and from a neutral market structure, a lot is possible. We can get a bullish breakout, we can get a bearish breakout, whatever. However, and that's why I'm calling this an emergency update, and that's why I'm telling you the situation has really changed. Fundamentally, Luna Classic has turned a bit sour. All right. First of all, the proposal about the tax policy and increasing it to 1.5% didn't pass. That was to be expected. However, what we did see in the last videos, in the last couple of days, is that it did look like this proposal of burning 800 million USDC funds, it looked like that had a chance, all right? And it was actually doing great. And right now, it still has a chance. However, it's become way more close, all right? Right now, the yeses are about 40%, and the nos together are about 35-36%, all right? So it's getting closer, and right now, I mean, it used to be way more yeses than nos. So it seems to be that the trend is kind of changing and that this might also not pass. And if this also not passes, then there's nothing really to be excited about at this moment. All right. I mean, at some point of time, and I've told you this before, and I will keep telling you, at some point of time, we'll get bullish fundamentals with Luna Classic. All right. And then it will rally. We'll get a bullish breakout above 17,000 from these levels, at least, if it stays at these levels. We'll break above that level and we'll start rallying. All right, that's going to happen at some point of time. However, it would have been great to actually have a bit of a rally in the meantime. All right, so a proposal like this could actually cause that. But if proposals like these do not pass, then we'll just have to wait for more news on Luna Classic and USDC. And that's basically what we also were doing in this entire period of time. And at that period of time, Luna Classic fell down a lot. So that wouldn't be bullish. And that's also the main reason that in combination that with that we're getting some bearish pressure here, coming from Bitcoin mostly. That's not Bitcoin, but coming from Bitcoin, trust me. That together leads me to believe that I actually think it's more likely that we'll actually drop down a bit lower, down to our previous support level, which we also touched last week. Between 15,000 and 14,500. Seems a bit more likely, all right, which is unfortunate, but from there we still have a good chance. I mean, that is a strong psychological and technical support level. So maybe from there we'll be able to set up another consolidation, but then a little bit lower, something like this perhaps. We'll see. But that drop on the short term is what I expect. On the long term, like I said, fundamentally, I'm still bullish on it. But we have to see some bullish confirmation first before I'll tell you that we'll rally. All right. So those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, then of course let me know down in the comments. There you can also find more info on my premium and signal group. Very valuable. But check that out. For now, thank you for watching. Have a great Christmas and bye.